Education Plus.
अहिले भारत आउने विद्यार्थीहरूको संख्या बढिरहेको छ। हजारौंको संख्यामा विद्यार्थीहरू अध्ययनका खातिर भारत आइपुगेका छन् र विभिन्न शिक्षण संस्थाहरू उनीहरूले रोजाइमा पारेका छन्। सबै शिक्षण संस्थाहरू रोजे जस्ता छैनन् र खोजे जस्ता छैनन्। बाहिर नेपालका परामर्श व्यवसायीहरूले जे भनेका छन् त्यो उनीहरूले पाइरहेका छैनन् र केही यस्ता विश्वविद्यालय पनि छन् जो साउथ एसिया रिजनमा मात्रै हैन अथवा भारतमा मात्रै हैन विश्वभर प्रसिद्ध समेत बन्न सफल भएको छ। त्यस्तै मध्येको एउटा विश्वविद्यालय अमिटी विश्वविद्यालयमा छौं हामी। हजुर दर्शकबिन, अब हामी कुराकानी गर्न लागिरहेका छौं अमिटी विश्वविद्यालयका भाइस प्रेसिडेन्टसँग। यु आर वेलकम टु माई टेलिभिजन शो।
I would like to welcome Saujanya Media all the way from Nepal, Kathmandu to Delhi, Noida. This is the first time it is happening, a media organization is coming down to Noida and shoot us. You know that we have so many students from Nepal and Kathmandu, and they have been studying here and they are safe, and they are going back with very high quality education from Amity University Noida campus.
First of all, please make our Nepalese viewers clear that how do you want to show your presence in Nepal? Do you really want to establish your university in Nepal?
We have so many students from Kathmandu. Now our ambition is to go to Nepal, especially Kathmandu, so that the students also are coming from Nepal can study there in Kathmandu. So we have already applied to the government of Nepal with our formal application, and we are waiting for their response so that we can establish our university there in Nepal. And especially the parents are going to be very happy as far as the safety is concerned. They feel, especially the girl children, they are safe in their own place as if they are at their home.
Yes, you made us clear that you really want to establish your university in Nepal if Nepalese government gives you permission. Actually, now I want to know that, what is the position of Amity University in India? What are the specialities that you have?
We are number one in India, especially in the North India. We have seen, the interest of parents and students come and study here in India. And also, we have so many universities here in India and so many campuses across India. Even at abroad itself, we have 8 campuses. So students have the opportunity, they can study 1 semester here, 1 semester in Nepal, and then they may study there in UK, London and Singapore. This particular choice is very less with any other universities. And the kind of programs we are offering, Amity is the only university offering 240 programs. You would find students from the KG class, 2.5-year-old kid studying here, and the students pursuing PhD. So that is the quality of education, and we are into education for the last 2 decades, 20 years, and absolutely we are doing a wonderful job. And it is our wish, if the government of Nepal permit us, we are coming there to operate.
Actually, education sector has been very competitive. So in this competitive scenario, what is the success formula of Amity University?
Our success formula is our founder president, Dr. Choki Chauhan. His vision and dream to become number 1 in India and number 1 in abroad. We have planned for 51 international campuses abroad. And why we are different from many other universities, we give a lot of emphasis on the values and ethics in the behavioral science, how the students should respect parents and grandparents. And we are also very particular about offering one particular program, that is foreign language in French, Spanish, German. Students can take one of these, and it is one umbrella from where students can choose any education, any course.
We came to know that you have done a lot in the education sector. Actually, what is your future steps or future plan?
Presently, we have close to 1 lakh students. Our ambition is in next 5 years we should be having 5 lakh students. We should be going to each and every state in India. Presently, we have university here in Noida, Jaipur, Manesar, and Gwalior. The 5th one is going to come up in Nagaland. So every year we are progressing.
I again want to draw your attention about Nepal. Why do you want to establish your university in Nepal instead of providing education in India?
We are in Nepal for the last 2 years. We are doing this survey. Why we should go to Nepal? But what we have seen that we really don't need any introduction in Nepal, Kathmandu.
True.
Students are absolutely mad for Amity University. You should also do your own survey and ask the last year I was there conducting 2 sessions for the students and parents. So Amity means, this is, as I told you, the brand name of 20 years. They know each and everything about Amity. For example, the Nepal students are here. The kind of safety we have introduced. No students can go out without the electronic card. No one can come inside without the system. Safety and security. For, as I was telling you, for girl children, safety is most important. So, and absolutely majority of the parents are quite aware of what Amity is and what Amity is offering and why they should join Amity University.
We know that you have hundreds of universities in India, so it is obvious that you have tough competitions as well. So in this situation, what is the component of your success?
See, in the education industry, there are 5 components. Basically, the number one, we need to get students. Definitely, students are there in Nepal. For success story of any institution or any university, that you need to have a strong academic backbone. Strength. Number 2, definitely we need to take care of the students, their requirements, their whatever problems they face from time to time. You call it a student servicing. Third, fourth one is the infrastructure, and the 5th one is placement. If you take out all the details of our university in terms of all these, we are number 1 again. And many institutions like our Amity Global Business School is ranked almost 8 or 9 in the newspapers and dailies and parameters, and we are also number 1 in biotechnology, nanotechnology. It is not only in one institution. We have got so many rankings, and from that you would be knowing that is also done by various agencies, reputed agencies. So absolutely, and across India again we are giving very quality education, and we have approximately 4,000 faculty members. We can always send our faculty members. We have started Dubai campus. We have sent the whole team of faculty from Noida. So we have that kind of strength. It is very difficult to get good faculty members. So we have all the resources.
In Nepal also we are discussing about quality education, and we have healthy and unhealthy competition in between. So in India, what kind of competitions do you have?
As far as Amity is concerned, we have no competition. Absolutely no competition.
Okay.
Because competition is there in every field, but for us there is no competitor. Because yes, we know what we are. So why we should be why we should be looking at the competition when you should know what you are and what you are doing. So you should not be worrying about the competition.
Finally, what is your message to our viewers?
See, this is how once the we will call it as offshore campus for which we have applied. So once we get the approval from the government, then we can offer the same university degree there, for which we need the approval of the government. So the moment we get the approval, we can start in next 6 months' time. Yeah, we need 6 months to establish. We are also looking for place, so that we should establish. We have identified a few properties, buildings, and we will take off immediately. It is a matter of time for the government to give approval, and we will take off in 180 days. We are very fast.
Before to end, anything like that you want to highlight to our viewers?
They will, you cannot stop students. In case they would like to come here, they are most welcome the way they are coming. In case they would like to remain there in Nepal, there. So we are there across. As I told you, there are 5 universities here in India, 8 campuses abroad, and Amity global campuses where we are offering only management programs. So for students, wherever they want, they are most welcome. We are giving options to the parents. In case they would like to send their children here, they are most welcome. In case they would like to send it to Jaipur, they are most welcome. No, we are going there at their doorsteps so that they are satisfied.
Okay, thank you so much for your valuable time and information. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. All the best. Thank you.
Education Plus.